Reusable bag for grocery shopping. It has been widely known that plastic bags can harm the soil. Hence, shoppers are encouraged to bring a reusable bag whenever they go shopping. IKEA provides a reusable shopping bag for everyday use. Canala will allow you to shop groceries in style while contributing to saving the earth. Find out more about the product in the following IKEA Canala review. A bit more about IKEA Canala. Canala shopping bag is a product of IKEA for everyday grocery shopping. This is a part of IKEA's attempt to contribute to saving the planet. Canala is produced as a great alternative to replace the use of disposable bags that proven harmful to the soil. Designed by Hannah Dalrot, Canala comes with an elegant and contemporary design. Canala shopping bag has stripes that make it look modern and stylish. The bag comes with the two prominent colors of white and black. Being made of 100% polyester material, Canala shopping bag is eco-friendly. Not only that, but the material used makes the shopping bag stronger and more durable. In this way, you do not need to worry that the bag will be torn apart when you use it to carry a large load. Additionally, you will find it very easy to clean the bag. Canala shopping bag's dimension. Canala shopping bag has quite a large dimension. The size of the bag is about 17 3/4 by 17 3/4 by 3 7/8 inches. Meanwhile, the volume of the bag is 20 L, 676 ounces. This will make it possible to carry a lot of grocery items all at once. One of the nicest things about the shopping bag is that you can fold it neatly into a small square. Thus, you can easily keep the bag in your pocket or purse when you are not using it. Furthermore, when you fold the shopping bag, it will not take up too much space in your handy bag. Another great feature added to Canala bag is the extra wide handle. The feature will allow you to carry it on your hand or over your shoulder comfortably. Interestingly, you can use the $1.99 bag not only for grocery shopping but also for taking stuff to kids' sports, pool outings, and more. How to take care of the shopping bag. Taking care of Canala shopping bag is easy. It is possible and saves for you to use a washing machine to clean the bag. However, you need to keep in mind that this is important to wash the bag together with other items with similar colors. To keep the great color performance of Canala shopping bag, make sure that you do not use bleaching products when washing it. Also, keep in mind to not tumble dry the shopping bag to maintain its durability. Another thing you have to do when taking care of the bag is to avoid ironing it. This will damage the surface of the shopping bag that is made of polyester. Last but not least, do not dry clean Canala shopping bag to keep its good performance.